Introducing WpEvently, the ultimate WordPress event booking plugin that makes managing events easy, powerful, and stress-free. Collect attendee information your way with custom registration forms. Add any fields you need, and even conditional fields that change based on ticket type or attendee choices. Offer multiple ticket types and extra services, giving your attendees the flexibility to choose exactly what they want. Manage recurring events with ease, and make bulk attendee changes or reschedule events in just a few clicks. Track your event performance with event-specific sales reports so you always know what's working and how to optimize your events. Stay connected with attendees through customized emails, send bulk notifications, and export attendee data anytime for easy management. Generate custom PDF tickets, manage events in any time zone, and provide attendees with a seamless experience from start to finish. Integrate seamlessly with WooCommerce for smooth ticket sales, and use the Event Calendar add-on, Event Timeline, and FAQ to keep attendees informed. Expand your event's potential with powerful add-ons, QR codes, seat plans, wait lists, early bird discounts, membership pricing, and much more. WpEvently. Sell tickets, manage attendees, and grow your events effortlessly. Get WpEvently today.